today we've got this. This is the WLToys A959. Alright, let's open her up and have a look. Okay, and this is what we get. So we've got the car, we've got the transmitter, and we've got the charger as well, and accessory bag there. And this was recommended by Daniel Elson. Cheers, Daniel. Alright, so let's have a little look at this car first. So as you can see, we've got some big chunky tyres. We have got independent suspension on the front as well as the back. We also have a nice little plastic housing here with two little push pins here, and also on the spoiler we have two little push pins here as well. So let's just take the push pins off of the car and let's open her up. Okay, so we have the following. We've got our charging cables, we've got our antenna, we've got our motor as well. This is a 390 motor. Everything else is connected, and we have the on and off button, which is just here as well. So obviously I'm guessing before we do anything else we'd have to connect up the battery. So if I connect that up there, and then by turning her on we should at least see some LEDs. Yeah, right in the corner down here there's something which is flashing right, my finger is there. So there we go, we have that sorted out. So it has been recommended that to punch a hole in here and to put this antenna out. I will be doing that, but not for this particular test. Let's just test it as it is, and then when we take it back out again, then I'll punch a hole in the top here and fit the antenna through and see whether we get any further range. Right, so this is pretty much the inside of it. As you can see, we've got our left and right turning linkage here. We've got a nice little heatsink sat on the motor as well. This particular car is able to go at 50 kilometers an hour, which is 31 miles an hour. So this is why the motor itself is quite large and has a heatsink on it just to dissipate that heat quite quickly, and also why the body as well only covers so much of it so that there's enough air that can actually get in and circulate around. Now with this, a load of different parts can be changed out on this particular motor. I have some new wheels, some new suspension, and new covers, as well as a brand new floor coming for it as well. So we'll be looking at that in the next couple of weeks. Right then, so I'm really quite taken with this. The overall quality of this is actually really quite good. Obviously, the plastic itself can be broken, so we are going to have to take a little bit of care there. Okay, so as you can see, this battery is quite large. It's held in via a nice little Velcro strap there. If I take this battery out, the battery that we have is a 7.4 volt, 1100 milliamp hour. It's two batteries joined together, but with this you're going to get 10 minutes of actual use, and the charge time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. But overall, I think this is quite nice, and I really can't wait for it to take her out. So let's just put that back in there as we found it, and let's put the strap back on. Okay, so for now, because I have to charge it before taking it out, let's put that cover on loosely and put this to one side. Okay, so let's have a little look at this transmitter. Well, this is pretty much a standard WLToys transmitter. We have a little bit of rubber here sitting on the steering wheel. This is how you turn your car left and right there. We have 4 buttons here. We have the first 2 buttons at the top are for steering trim, and the bottom 2 are for throttle trim. We have a little on and off button in the bottom there with a little notification LED alongside that button. Now we got a nice little grip on here. It feels rubbery, but it is actually plastic. With the transmitter being in your hand, it feels quite sturdy and looks quite good. We also have an antenna which can be lifted as well, should you not be getting the range that you want to get. Another thing which is missing, there's no telemetry screen. I would prefer if there was a telemetry screen on there, but nonetheless, at least you can control the car forward and backwards as well as left and right with that. So that'll do quite nicely. Okay, let's open up this box. Inside here you get, oh, there we go. We get the charger, as well as we get the little battery charger as well. This is where the battery just plugs into here, and then you have your standard connector which just fits into the side, and then the battery would charge directly off that. So there we go, folks. This is everything that we get. So we get the car, we get the transmitter, and we also get the battery charger as part of a 2-piece there. So there we are, folks. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. Thank you very much, Daniel, for this recommendation. I can't wait to take this out in the next couple of days. If you haven't already, folks, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy racing.